Hello, good morning friends. Welcome back to Excel tips and tutorials. Okay, you can see a table right now here with some data, month, leads. So if we um, go through each cells, like I'm going through the first cell here, it's 24, then it's 32, then it's 36, then it's 64. Okay, when you come to this cell, this particular cell that has the value 64, you can see a cell message here like status highest number. Okay, which means that this is the highest number in this table. 64 is the highest number in this table. So when you come across this, you can see a message here, but you cannot see any other messages in any of the other cells. So this is called cell messages. Okay, so today we will learn how to create a cell message for a particular cell. So I will give you an example here. So let's see, let's take the lowest value here. In this cell the lowest value is 20. So we will put across a message that this is the lowest value. When you put your mouse over there, you will have to see that this is the lowest value. So let's see how to create a cell message in MS Excel. Okay, so for that, first you go to data tab. Okay, and select that cell that you want to display the message. We are going for this July data 20. Okay, and in the data tab, just go over the towards the data tools here, and in the data tools you can see another option, data validation. Click on that, and you can see three options: data validation, circle invalid data, clear validation circles. So here you need to click the first one, data validation. Okay, so here you can see three options: settings, three tabs, settings, input message, error alert. So click on the input message. Here you can put your message here, like title we can put it again as status, and input message lowest value. Okay, so and click on OK. Yeah, so now when you put your mouse on this cell, you can see a message telling the status which is the lowest value. So that's the way how to create a cell message in easy steps. This is a simple step, and this can be useful for everyone to get a better understanding about your data. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, just like it, share it, and also subscribe my channel. And while subscribing this channel, don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notifications of my new videos in this channel. So till I come with my next video, please stay tuned. Bye.